get a PDF file flipped horizontally. So by default, the application launches with preview, but when you go ahead and print this out with the option of flip horizontally, the problem is if you go ahead and open in preview, you will see that the output is all blank, every single page. So the solution to this, first and foremost, is to open with Safari. So by opening with Safari, I can then go ahead and flip horizontally, open in preview, and as you will be able to see, the output is usable. The problem is it's now in the incorrect orientation. It is in portrait orientation, which is not good. I want it still to remain the original orientation, which is landscape. So to do that, change the settings here, open in preview. You will see that it works this time, but change the settings here, but then you go flip horizontally, open in preview, and it breaks. So the flip horizontally is a little bit bugged. So to solve the orientation problem, you then can go ahead and manage custom sizes and create a new size that is A4 landscape. So 297 width, 210 of a height. Okay. And then flip horizontally, open in preview, and there you go. So that is how you flip horizontally PDF files in macOS, and there was really nothing on Google, so this was really just bashing my head on the table troubleshooting. Thank you for watching.